Welcome to Sweetiful Treats, where every moment is sweeter with your delectable delights. Established in 2024 in the heart of Cagayan de Oro City, Sweetiful Treats is the brainchild of 8 colleagues united by their passion for sweets. These 8 friends shared a dream of creating a haven for dessert lovers, where quality meets affordability. From decadent chocolate cakes to delicate vanilla cupcakes, our menu is designed to tantalize your taste buds and satisfy your sweet cravings without breaking the bank. Behind every delicious creation is a commitment to food safety and quality standards. In Sweetiful Treats, we prioritize hygiene and safety in every step of our process.
Sweetiful Treats, our commitment extends far beyond crafting delectable pastries. We strive to create an oasis of delight where every ingredient is not only a feast of the senses, but also a testament to our unwavering dedication to safety, cleanliness, and hygiene. First bite to the last crumb, we take pride in ensuring that each pastry embodies not just flavor, but also the essence of trust and assurance. Join us and taste our Sweetiful Treats.
For measures for pest control, we will perform the following steps. First, conduct routine inspections and maintenance to identify and address potential pest entry points and breeding grounds. Regular inspections and maintenance help identify and address pest entry points, preventing contamination of food products. This guidelines under the measures for pest control is in compliance with Section 20, Vermin Control of the Code and Sanitation of the Philippines, or the PD 856, and as per Section 5.4 and 5.5 of AO 153S 2004. For food safety parameters, we will perform the following steps. First, establish food safety parameters for all stages of production and handling. Establishing food safety parameters ensures consistency and adherence to standards throughout the production and handling process, reducing the risk of contamination and foodborne illness. These guidelines under the food safety parameters is anchored to the hazard analysis and critical control points, or the HACCP principles. For construction and layout of storage houses, we will perform the following procedures. First, ensure adequate ventilation, lighting, and drainage systems. This further ensures optimal storage conditions, preventing the growth of mold and bacteria that could contaminate food products. These guidelines under the construction and layout of storage houses is in compliance with the requirements outlined in Section B, Premises in Section 1, Warehousing and Distribution Guidelines of AO 153S 2004. For equipment maintenance, we will perform the following procedures. First, develop a comprehensive maintenance schedule for all equipment used in food handling and preparation. This helps to prevent unexpected breakdowns and ensures that equipment is consistently available for use in food production. These guidelines under the equipment maintenance are thereby anchored in the guidelines provided in Section 23 and Section 45 of Code and Sanitation of the Philippines, or the PD 856. For personal hygiene of employee, we will conduct the following steps. First, establish and enforce strict personal hygiene practices for all employees handling food products. This further ensures that employees handling food products maintain cleanliness, minimizing the risk of contamination. Second, train staff on proper hand washing techniques, wearing of clean uniforms, and personal grooming standards. This enhances awareness and compliance with hygiene protocols, promoting a hygienic work environment. Furthermore, these guidelines under the personal hygiene of employee is in compliance with Section 19 of Code on Sanitation of the Philippines or the PD 856 and Section D, Sanitation and Hygiene of AO 153 as 2004. For organization of material purchase, we will perform the following procedures. First, implement procedures for the organization and storage of materials purchased for food production. This ensures that materials are stored appropriately, reducing the risk of contamination and preserving product integrity. This guidelines under the organization of materials purchase is thereby in compliance with Section 27 of Food Safety Act of 2013. For sanitizing measures, we will conduct the following steps. First, develop and implement sanitizing procedures for all food contact surfaces and equipment. This is essential for creating a safe and hygienic environment in Sweetiful Treats establishments. This procedure involves a systematic approach to cleaning and disinfecting surfaces and equipment that come into direct contact with food during preparation, storage, and serving. This guidelines under the sanitizing measures is thereby anchored in Section 5, 1, and 4 of AO 153S 2004. For product information, we will perform the following procedures. First, ensure accurate and comprehensive labeling of all food products in accordance with relevant regulations. This ensures that consumers are informed about the contents of food products, helping them make informed dietary choices and avoid allergens or ingredients they may be sensitive to. These guidelines under the product information are thereby anchored in Section 8 of Food Safety Act of 2013 and Administrative Order No. 30, 2014, or the revised rules and regulations governing the labeling of prepackaged food products, further amending certain provisions of Administrative Order No. 88-BS 1984. For maintenance of utilities, we will conduct the following procedures. First, develop a maintenance plan for utilities such as water, electricity, and HVAC systems. This helps prevent unexpected breakdowns and ensures the reliability of water, electricity, and HVAC systems, avoiding disruptions in operations. These guidelines under the maintenance of utilities is thereby in compliance with Section 5.1 of AO 153S 2004 and as per Section 33 Code on Sanitation of the Philippines or PD 856. For food storage, we will perform the following steps. First, establish procedures for the safe and hygienic storage of food products. This ensures that food products are stored in a safe and hygienic manner, minimizing the risk of contamination and spoilage. These guidelines under the food storage are thereby in compliance with Section 5, Rule 5A, 1 of Food Safety Act of 2013 and AO 153 as 2004. For disposal of waste materials, we will perform the following steps. First, develop a waste management plan to ensure proper disposal of food and non-food waste. This ensures that waste is disposed of properly, reducing environmental pollution and mitigating health risks associated with improper waste disposal. These guidelines under the disposal waste materials are thereby in compliance with Section 4.2 and 4.7 of AO 153 as 2004 and Food Donation Act of 2009.